Superbrands is the only global brand operator in the world, the only one. We're in 92 different countries, and most people here, when they join, have actually seen sales increases by up to 25%. And the use of the magical logo, Superbrand logo, adds substantial value to the product. Now, AIM has very good products. It's a global company. It's been very successful in its own right. AIM seems to rise above the rest, which is fantastic. And we're very proud and very honored to have AIM join our program. And we're greatly looking forward to working with AIM Global in the Philippines. And any help they may wish to have, they will get it from us when it comes to value or marketing, when it comes to network distribution and global deployment.
Okay, wala pa tayong mga kamay. Palapakan natin and to show you the plaque that was given for Alliance in Motion, ito po siya, yung Superbrands Philippines Choice. So yung pinakamalakas pumalakpak, siya ang susunod na magiging milyonaryo. Palapakan natin, sigaw natin, congratulations sa Global!
Congratulations, Global!
Okay, at yung sinasabi ko kanina, mga kaibigan, our products are being recognized at para tuloy-tuloy, our products na mas makilala pa, our products are now included. Please, let's show it. Ang ating mga products po ay included na sa tinatawag na Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory. Wala ba tayong mga kamay dyan? So what's so good with this directory, according to the experts, it's just like a Bible ng mga doctors every time they wanted to check on what kind of food supplement, what kind of medicine ang kanilang i-prescribe sa kanilang mga patients. Ang tinatawag na Pharmaceutical Products Directory is always at the side of the doctors, and we are very, very proud that our products are inside this directory. Can you turn the pages? Can you turn the pages? Ipakita natin yung ibang page na nandun yung mga products natin. Ayun, at sa ilalim, makikita nyo, nakalagay, highlighted pa yung company name natin at yung mga products natin.
Wow.
Of course, hindi natin mababasa isa-isa, but being a member ng AIM Global, I believe this will be a big boost sa ating mga users at sa ating mga future users. Maybe you're asking, where can we get this book? Actually, ito ay exclusive na ginagamit ng mga doctors. They have resources, but according to Doc Ed, when I ask him, he will make a way, gagawa siya ng paraan para magkaroon tayo ng mga directory na ito na available all over the Philippines through the BCOs and the head office. So let's hope and pray it will push through sa lalo madaling panahon. So yung pinakamalakas pumalakpak, siya ang susunod na milyonaryo! Yes! Okay, para tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Earlier, you saw and you heard a very inspiring story because of our beautiful products. And now, mga kaibigan, as proven and tested, maganda ang negosyo dahil maganda ang produkto and the other way around. Maganda ang produkto that gave us